A man legally adopts a child, then tries to walk away when the marriage ends. But here's the thing, adoption isn't temporary. Once you sign those papers, that kid is yours. Period. Watch what happens when this dad learns he can't just undo his responsibilities.
You all may be seated. Miss Cassidy, you brought this case to the court. What's going on?
We were married for several years, and he adopted my first marriage, which meant my first husband relinquished rights, and he doesn't want to take care of it anymore now that we're divorced.
Okay, sir, is there a reason you don't to take care of your son?
Well, he's not done.
Well, yes, he is. You adopt him.
I thought I was in love with her. I had to please her.
29 responsibilities. Did he really just say, he's not my son? The judge isn't having it. This guy thought love for his wife meant he could skip being a real parent to the kid he chose to adopt.
You didn't really love the child at all, your son? Because your son, just so we're clear, you're not going to be able to say things like, it's not my child. You adopted this legally. This is your child.
Well, he's not blood. He's her son. He's just not my blood son. He's a redhead.
What does that have to do with anything? The color of his
kids.
What is the color of his?
Wait, did he seriously bring up the kid's hair color? Like being a redhead somehow makes him less of a son? The judge's reaction says everything you need to know about how absurd this sounds.
I just always hated redheaded kids.
Okay. How do you meet?
Well, I'd been divorced several years, and I'm a farmer. And
yes, farmer.
Ma'am. I will give you your opportunity in just a moment. Okay? Go ahead, sir.
So my friend took me out to the club of memory clinics. Took me out to a memory clinic.
So they met at a club on his birthday. He fell head over heels, married her, and adopted her son. Fast forward to now he wants out of everything, including fatherhood. That's not how adoption works.
My birthday, and that's where I met her, and she strapped it to me, and I fell in love with her that night. And
You fell in love enough to adopt her son.
to marry her, because I thought I loved with her.
Okay.
And so I got married, and she called me to adopting her kid.
You
the
adopted
redheaded
the
one.
child.
Yeah.
In your day because she wants you to
Pay child support.
pay
for
child
that
support
kid.
care of your child.
He's more of a ballerina. He is a boy.
What do you mean by ballerina?
I don't want that kid.
Sir, you
Now he's saying the kid is more of a ballerina than a boy. This dad is grasping at every excuse imaginable to avoid his responsibilities. The judge shuts it down fast.
adopted child.
Well, let his own father him back.
Wait a minute. His father terminated his, and you adopted this child.
Well, she can talk to
I'm
somebody
not
else
about
that-
to play with you, sir. Missy, we're not doing that today. This is your child. You adopted the child, and you can be legally responsible in child support as well.
Well, his first give up his rights. How come I can't give up mine?
Well, you know what? We're not doing that today. Today, you're going to take care of this child, okay?
Okay, what?
And you're not going to give him up a redhead. No.
He literally asks why he can't give up his rights like the biological father did. The difference? The bio dad gave up rights so this guy could adopt. You can't just return a child like a defective product.
He don't fish.
Sir, Miss Cassidy, how much money do you make a year?
Approximately 83.
3,000. And ma'am, now I'm to you. What does this mean, farmer?
I'd rather not go into.
Okay. $83,000. And sir, you said, how many other do you have?
I have two.
Two. Okay. So you have 3 kids
They're not
total.
headed either.
Sir, of their hair should not affect whether or not you decide to be a father to the children versus your adopted son. You understand?
I understand.
Okay. Well, as long as you understand. I
Judge?
have your gross. Yes, ma'am.
So I've dyed boy's hair now, so
What color is hair now, ma'am?
his hair is the same color of his.
And you all are aware the color of this child's hair doesn't matter in terms of the financial responsibility, right?
I understand that, but he.
This is heartbreaking. The mom actually dyed her son's hair to match the dad's other kids, hoping it would make him care. Think about that, a child had to change his appearance just to feel wanted by his own father.
Doesn't, so I'm just trying to get to where he
I don't wanna
likes
buy
his
too-
son.
too-
You know what? It
Aggressive,
is
right?
ridiculous. She even had to dye a child's hair to even make you receive any type of comfort, sir. That's ridiculous. Now, at $83,000, your gross at $6,906.67.
Wow.
Carries health insurance for this child.
I do.
The judge breaks down the numbers. He makes $83,000 a year, but acts like child support is going to bankrupt him. His reaction when he hears the amount is priceless.
How much is it for the child only?
$200 a month.
$230. Okay, so reimburse that to her monthly. Yes, you are. And your net comes out to $5,182.80.
Oh.
Yes. What? Do we need to call an ambulance? You okay? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So-
my ambulance might help me.
Okay. Right now, I'm getting ready to help you with these notes, okay?
Or
Giving you
12
credit for
gauge.
the other that you have. Your child support obligation $808.72 plus the insurance reimbursement of $230 a month. That makes your monthly obligation $1,030.
$1,038 a month. That's what he owes. He starts talking about farming overhead and hair dye costs anything to avoid paying. The judge isn't buying any of it.
$72.
Okay.
Okay,
Judge?
and you can afford it. It's $83,000, sir.
Well, there's a lot of overhead for farm.
Well, you know what?
Oh.
Dye your hair red.
Well, that's not going to help me pay my. That's
It
not going to help
might.
me feed my cattle.
Well, you know what? I want to choose some different alternatives.
Well, you got to eat. That's what. Where you think it comes from?
You grow my.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pay for it from you, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Well, guess what? You're going to continue to grow your food, and you're going to take child, who's now the hair dyed because you had a problem with the child's hair. Ridiculous. Is there any further here?
Yes, the last that he hasn't paid, can he pay that the back pay as well?
You know what? That's a great question. Are you asking for back pay today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unfortunately, you didn't put that in your paperwork that you filed with the court requesting. So unfortunately, if you did not previously, I can't award it to you.
Okay.
So monthly obligation, listen,
Judge, there's another
you don't
option.
need that.
If he wants to come back and marry me, we can do that. Then he won't have child support.
Well, I mean, that's an option.
I'm going back to my ex-wife.
That's-
I've got my other wife, and they're coming back. They're
Just
together.
thought as long as he was
okay.
going back and forth.
Oh, well, I'm glad to see.
Going back.
Well, I'm glad to see that you moved on, and I'm glad that you're open to that possibility. But unfortunately, this is not reunification.
Maybe she
This is
should go
child
back to
support
the
court.
memory clinic
Oh,
work.
well, guess what? Nothing further. You all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Want to get that? Maybe she'll have you comb your hair.
Yeah.